Alright, greetings from Oklahoma City, yo. We're at a Casey's gas station near the Midwest, in the Midwest City area. They had a car wash I want to check out. Luckily, this one does seem to be open. The exit bay door is open. And I wanted to check this out because, as of the last street view, they had a GT-98 in here. So let's see if it's still here or not. Because I didn't see a machine parked in front of the bay, so I wonder if it got replaced. Oh, nope, it's still there.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select a wash by touching the corresponding button on the screen. Or touch the enter code button to enter.
Oh, great, there's a homeless guy sitting out there. That wasn't okay. Card only, of course. Makes my payment decision easy. But anyway, that's sweet. Alright, let's get the focus and the exposure up. Sweet. Okay, well, let me zoom out. There we go. So there are your wash options. There's a thing listed right here. You can pause to read. Yes, we're gonna go ahead and get the 15 today.
Please insert payment now.
And I'm gonna switch back to manual focus. There we go.
Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you.
Amazing.
Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Leave my card out because I might go check out another wash after this. Alright, I'm hyped for this wash. Undercarriage came in late. Oh, it's got the spinning wands on top. Just like the one in Tyler, but it's red. That's, yeah, the only difference I see. This machine has seen better days. Glad this one isn't boarded up yet. Making some questionable noises. Is there water still splashing out of the undercarriage? I think so. That's funny. Okay. It started spraying something and it stopped. Boy, this thing sounds lovely. Oh, man. Oh my gosh. I just did it again. Maybe it's trying to like purge something out. I have no idea. Might be getting our wands now. The homeless guy left. Thank goodness. And there's Tri-Foam. Oh. Looks like all three colors are working. Set pink. Pink seems pretty diluted, but yeah. Yeah, we got all three colors. Yeah, it took a second for it to get going too. Yeah, a little inconsistent, but it's decent coverage. Is that blower on the right working or no? Same with that one. I think the top two blowers are the only ones that are working. Ones on the side don't seem to be working. No, the homeless guy's back. It's not blowing away the water droplets. My car looks pretty dry, except for probably like the rocker panels and such. But well, wait, now they're blowing. Interesting. That was weird. So then, okay, that last pass it cycled to the side blowers, and yeah, now the top ones are off. Interesting. Never seen that sequence before. And that's it. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. That'll be it.